Hi friends, welcome back to another tutorial of iPhone app development. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss the content hugging priority and content compression resistance priority. Now, we have already discussed these topics for a UI stack view. We will be learning more detail in this topic in this tutorial. So, coming to the definition part, the content hugging priority sets the priority with which a view resists being made larger than its intrinsic size. Setting a larger value to its priority indicate that we don't want the view to grow larger than its content. What is the intrinsic content size of a view? Property of a UI view that represent the minimum required size of a view in order to display all its content. In the case of a UI label, for example, it would be minimum required size to show all its text contained in a label without being cropped. So let us discuss this in more practical way using an example in our project. If you remember, in our earlier project, we created a UI label and we were discussing how many minimum constraints are required for a UI label, and we concluded that we require minimum only 2 constraints for a UI label, and that the breadth and a height of a UI label acquires the breadth as much breadth as the text is written inside a UI label, and this is called the intrinsic content size of a UI label. So, moving further with that part of our tutorial, we will now discuss the content hugging priority. So, what is a content hugging priority? Content hugging priority is a priority that set the priority with which a view resists being made greater than its intrinsic size. So, if we set the priority, if more will be the priority, more will be the tendency of a view or UI element to acquire the size of its content. So, let us discuss this with a UI label and a UI image view, and this thing will become more clear to you. Let us quickly drag and drop a UI image view inside our view controller file. Now we will provide the constraint for this UI image view, and we will provide a trailing and top constraint. Trailing will be equal to the leading of the UI label, and that was 78. So we will provide a trailing to be 78, and the top will also be equal to the top of a UI label, and it was 154. So I will provide a top as 154 for UI image view also. So I have provided the 2 constraints. Now I am getting an error in my storyboard, but I will quickly add a UI image to this UI image view. So for adding a UI image to this image view, I will put a UI image inside my .asset file, inside my asset folder. This is a asset folder, asset.xc asset. So I will drag and drop images which I kept in on my desktop. Suppose I am deleting this image, and I have 3 images, 1x, 2x and 3x. You can also use the 2x and 3x image. You can leave the 1x image, but that will do. That will also do, but we are going to use all the 3 images, and I am selecting these image, and I will drag and drop it here like this. Just drag and drop, and this image is added to my asset, that is asset library. You can copy the name of this image. I am using the pineapple image, and you can copy the name of this image, and you write the name of this image, paste the name of this image inside attribute inspector of UI image view, on the area where it is written image. So just paste it like this. You get a drop down and I have pasted this. Now my error is gone because UI image view also has a intrinsic content size property. Now I want this image and label to be put with a horizontal spacing of let me take it 20. So I am providing a leading edge of this UI image view with the label, and this is called horizontal spacing, and I will provide this, edit this to 20. Now I am getting a error. Let me check the error. It is saying that set the horizontal hugging priority. So here comes the content hugging priority of a view. Now I want that this label, let me write the name to this label as pineapple. So I want this label to acquire the size of a pineapple text. So I will go down in my attribute inspector, click this icon and go down. You will get a content hugging priority part here. Now by default the content hugging priority has a horizontal and a vertical value. I want the horizontal value because I am working for the horizontal, the size, not the horizontal, the width, not the height. So I am working with the width part. So I am going to provide this horizontal priority to be high as 750. Now see, the error is gone and it is looking nice. So I have provided the label a content hugging priority of a high value, then this priority of this leading constraint which is of, then the priority of this pineapple, content hugging priority of this pineapple is 251. So the content hugging priority of the label is 750 and the pineapple is 251. So I have put the content hugging priority of the label and the label to be greater than the pineapple. So this is what the content hugging priority is. So with this, the content hugging priority will become clear to you. Now coming to the content compression resistance priority. What is a compression resistance priority? It is a priority, it is a property which set the priority with which a view resists being made smaller than its intrinsic size, means compression resistance. Then as the name suggests, it resists the compression, the priority with which a view resists being made smaller than the intrinsic size. Setting the higher value means we don't want the view to shrink smaller than the intrinsic size. So coming to our project, let us just do let us just change the image of our pineapple in our UI image view. We are going to select another image which is of a greater size than the pineapple image, that is a water sprayer. So we will select this water sprayer and now we are getting the error. What does the error says? It says that set the horizontal compression priority to 749 for a image view and set the horizontal compression resistance priority to 751 for a pineapple. So it is saying that you need to set the horizontal compression resistance priority, content compression resistance priority of a pineapple to be greater than the image view. That will not shrink your label. I have a label and after adding the greater image, the image view is just compressing the UI label to and the UI label will shrink, is going to shrink. So Xcode is showing the error and Xcode is suggesting me to provide the greater compression resistance priority for a label so that the content should not shrink. So let me provide the content compression resistance priority of a UI label to be greater than, and it is saying put it 751, and for the image view put it 4749. I have done that and now my error is gone. So this is what the content compression resistance priority is. It resists the compression of a view less than the intrinsic content size. In both the properties, content hugging priority and content compression resistance priority, the intrinsic content size plays a major role. So for a content hugging priority, the intrinsic size should not, intrinsic size should, the size of the view should not increase more than the intrinsic content size, and in case of the compression resistance priority, the size of the view should not decrease less than the intrinsic content size. With this, we come to the end of our tutorial. Let us summarize what we have learned in our tutorial. We have learned what is a content compression hugging priority and content compression resistance priority, and in both these cases the intrinsic content size plays a major role. So we learned what is a intrinsic content size. So goodbye for now. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share the tutorial, and also press the bell icon so that you get the notification of my upcoming videos. Thanks.